Okay, we are live now.
Yeah, okay.
Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, Mr. John. So,
Hi.
hello. Okay, hello everybody. Good afternoon atau selamat siang menjelang sore semuanya. Kembali lagi bersama Best Partner Education. So, on behalf on Best Partner Education, aku mau ngucapin selamat datang dan terima kasih sudah bergabung di channel YouTube Best Partner Education dan juga sudah bergabung di Zoom meetingnya Best Partner Education. Jadi kali ini kita punya program yang namanya virtual sharing session. Jadi sharing sesi ini dari Best Partner ini adalah sebagai representasi dari institusi belajar di berbagai negara dengan tujuan untuk memperkenalkan kampus-kampus, informasi lebih detail untuk para calon sarjana yang juga bagian dari Best Partner Education. Nah, jadi hari ini kita kedatangan tamu nih dari Sarawak, Malaysia, representasi dari kampus Icats, yaitu Mr. Jong. Oke, langsung live, sudah bergabung bersama kita live dari Sarawak, Mr. Jong Ten Kyong. Hi, Mr. Jong.
Hi. How are you?
Ayo.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Jong, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine. Very good. I can also very good now. Okay, so let me talk about a bit current situation in Icats, right?
Yeah.
At the moment, our campus are still closed. Okay, so the current student, the existing student at the moment is their study through online study. So there are no face-to-face study at the moment because there is not allowed. So this meaning that is until they be approved, can be open face-to-face, then we tell the student and come to the class for the physical class. For at the moment, all the student is attending the class based on the online learning. So that is ICAT at the moment, but we are working like a normal Monday to Friday every day. So starting from the last week, 13th of May. So beginning of that, then we are working until the one. So that is the current situation in Icats, and current situation in Kuching also is very good now. The COVID-19 cases also is 0 cases for the last 6 days until today. So at the moment is our government is try very hard to control everything. So that is the best sign, good sign for Sarawak actually. It's a safe area for Sarawak. That is a current situation in Kuching and Sarawak and Icats also. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I think the current situation between Sarawak and also Pontianak and also all, I think most of the country, most of the city in Indonesia and also in Malaysia are the same, Mr. Chong. So thank you for sharing us. Thank you for welcoming us. So I want to guys know that Mr. Jung is a marketing manager of Icats Sarawak. So today he is going to presenting everything about Icats Sarawak and also the scholarship. So you can ask everything. Don't hesitate. Okay. So here also join us Mr. Jelal and also Fitrianto Wijaya and other participants will follow. So Mr. Jung, so without any further ado, let's start our presentation.
Okay, sure. Okay, so this is okay, I'm Jong actually. Jong Ten Kyong is work as with Icats as an international marketing manager to look for the international student to come to Icats and study. Okay, so this is you look at the first page here is Icats campus. Okay, this is Icats campus. So today I will talk about just more to the Icats program and also the intake and also the scholarship. The most important thing is okay. This is International College.
Hello, Mr. Jong.
Yeah.
Can you sharing again the screen? I think it doesn't appear.
Is it? Okay. Oh, yeah. Can or not now? Okay, can now.
Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, so
Yeah, sorry, just now. So
yeah.
this is the Icats campus. Actually, we have our own campus in Kuching. It's center of the city actually, surrounded by the shopping complex, yeah, surrounded by the government department office, surrounded by this nearby the airport. Okay, very near to the airport. Just 10 minutes from the airport, you can arrive to Icats campus already. So this is a city campus in Kuching. Okay. So when you stay, you study in Icats, where you want to go for shopping, you want to go to anyways, just a nearby. Okay, just a nearby. Okay. So my presentation here at the today is on the Icats background that I already mentioned just now, just a little bit. Okay, if you really want to know more, then please come to Icats and study. So the second one is the Icats programs, the program that we are offer for the students, for the local student and also for the international students. Okay, then the third one is Icats index. That when is our index? When is our index? Because recently we have actually we have 6 intake per year. Okay, 6 intake per year. So that's why later on I will explain when is our index. And also the last one, the most interesting thing. The most interesting thing is international scholarship. That today, this year we offer 70 scholarship for international student. That for international student to grab it. That is a most interesting thing lah. Okay, this is Icats campus. We are within our own compound. Okay, within our own compounds is about 4 acres, 3 plus and 4 acres land. That everything is inside and the very safety. Okay, when you are going, you need to go through the security and everything. It's not like others. This permanently is our own campus and also the design like European design of the buildings. Okay, this is our campus, right? So, okay, in terms of the, just talk about the employability rate and the statistic for the Icats currently that we have, right? For Icats starting is 2004 until now, again, more than 10 years already. So Icats, the employability rate in terms of the student that graduate from the Icats, most of them is about 92% is a graduate employability, meaning that student after they graduate 6 months, they can find a job, they easily to get a job and then to work, and then this that is a 92%. Some of them is they are doing their own business. That's why there's about 8%. They are not counted here. Okay. So, okay, this is a program that we offer. Okay, program that we offer. We have two degree program. Okay, we have 2 degree program. One is a Bachelor of Business Administration, honors in e-commerce. Is major in e-commerce. The second one is a Bachelor of Software Engineering, honors degree also. So what is meaning that this honors degree? Meaning that the final years, they need to do their final year project and then they need to do their presentation. They need to attend the industrial attachment also. Is industrial attachment here is if I'm not wrong, that in Indonesian language is magang. Magang. They have a magang, the 3 months for industrial attachment. Okay. The third one, we also have a 9 diplomas program. Okay, for example, this is a diploma in business administrations, diploma in culinary art, diploma in accounting, diploma in hotel management, diploma in plantation management, diploma in software engineering, diploma in civil engineering, diploma in mechanical engineering, and diploma in electrical engineering. Power, okay, specific in the power side. So this diploma courses, okay, the duration is 2.5 years, except diploma in accounting for 2 years only. And just now I didn't mention bachelor degree. If after you SMA graduate, right, then you can come into a degree for 2 bachelor degree is only for 3 years time only. The duration is only for 3 years, including your attachment. Okay, including the attachment. So this is the program that we offer. Okay. So in terms of the entry qualification, right, for the Bachelor of Business Administration, honors in the e-commerce, for those students that completed A-level, equivalent pass 2 subject, or completed diploma, our own diploma, or Icats diploma, or any others institution diploma, as long as is recognized by our government. Right? Then the third one is completed SMU 3 or SMU 3, SMA, SMK, MA with minimum average mark of 66. That is under the Indonesian government qualification, national examination result, right? Okay, for the English language proficiency requirement. So for those students, they come to Kuching, they come to Malaysia to come and study, they need to take the English proficiency test. So either they can get MOET test, English University for test, or IELTS test. So either one they can choose. Okay. So at the moment, we are really encourage students to take the MOET comparisons. Better, yeah? Better than IELTS. So then any other equivalence qualification recognized by the Malaysian government. That is any qualification. For example, they have a diploma from Indonesia. They can, as long as recognized, they can join our bachelor degree in business administration, major in e-commerce. Okay. Okay. So second one, Bachelor of Software Engineering. Later part, I will tell you what is the Bachelor in Administration, e-commerce, what is their study. Okay? Later on, I will more detail on that. So, Bachelor of Software Engineering, completed A-level, which at least full pass in 2 subjects. Okay? But they need to have additional mathematics, that is A-level. Okay, for those diploma, Icats, okay, where either is computer science or software engineering or information technology or information system, they can equivalent qualification minimum 2.5 CGPA. This means the mark is 2.5. Okay, students who have a CGPA less than 2.5 but not but above 2.0 may be offered admission subject to rigorous internal assessment process. Pass. And also the student if pass SMU 3, okay, SMA, SMK, MA with a minimum average also 66. So together with the same with the national examination result of Indonesia. English language also the same thing, MOET or IELTS or any other qualification recognized by Malaysian government. Okay, what I want to say here, we come back to our this one, Bachelor of Business Administration here. So at the moment, what is Bachelor of Administration and what is the difference in Bachelor of Business Administration in e-commerce? So Bachelor of Business Administration honors in e-commerce. Students will be learned more in the e-commerce management and e-commerce, okay, marketing, digital marketing also will be learned in the e-commerce. So specifically, currently at the moment, for example, due to the COVID-19, right? All the economy, conventional system will be very difficult to do the business. So everybody look for the new norm is e-commerce, online business. So it's this meaning that this bachelor degree business administration in e-commerce is in time for the generation people to learn and do the business and management the business in e-commerce. So Bachelor of Software Engineering also. Why? So Bachelor of Software Engineering is a good time for the student to learn and to gain the knowledge, and when they graduate, they really have chances to get a job or to do their own business, okay, to solve the people problem, to write the software, okay, in the e-commerce system, in e-commerce on everything. So that really in time after the 3 years, economy is good, then it's a booming time for them. Okay, that is these 2 bachelor degree and also some other thing like our diploma program. Okay. After that, if anything question, then student can ask me also on these 2 program and our diploma program. Okay. Okay. For the diploma program just now, as long as they completed SMU 3, SMA, SMK, MA with the average mark is 55, so they can enter for diploma level. For those 66 and above, they can apply for bachelor degree. For those below 66 and up to 55, they qualify for this diploma program. For the English language proficiency, same thing, MUET or IELTS. They can, okay, at the moment, right, another qualification recognized by Malaysian government. For this, our government, like this Ministry of Higher Education, they did mention that for those students, they can come direct to Icats in the future. They want to study. Then within 1 year, they study in Icats. They need to pass this English test. So after they pass, they were given full 3 years this visa, student visa for study in Icats. Okay, so we have a university partnership. Okay, why we need to have this university partnership? We have an international university partnership. So after the student graduate, for example, our diploma program, when they want to go to further their degree program, if they want to go for overseas, for example, they can go to Institute of Technology, Tralee, Ireland. So meaning that some of the courses, they can choose a level 7 or level 8. Level 7, they need to have 2 years. Then level 8, they need to have 1 year in that university. So IT, Sligo, also the same thing, Institute of Technology, Sligo from Ireland, that our international partnership. And also the third one is a University of Sunderland from UK, is also our university partnership, international partnership. Actually, not only these three, there are more to come that we are looking for partnership with other university to for the student that after they graduate from our diploma, they can go further. Not only that, okay, we also have a local partnership like UTM, University Technology Malaysia, Government University, and also Infrastructure University Kuala Lumpur, that is one of the private university, semi-government university, private university in Malaysia. So not only these two, okay, our student after they graduate from diploma, okay, Icats diploma, they can go anyway, any university in Malaysia. Okay, any university they can apply as long as their entry requirement they fulfill. So they can apply to the local university in within Malaysia. Besides that, also the bachelor degree after they graduate from our bachelor degree, so they can apply to taken the master degree and PhD degree, master degree first, within the local university within Malaysia, and also for our partnership university, okay, and also foreign university they can get a master also. Okay, this is Icats intake year 2020. For the January intake, we already passed, okay, January intake, and also April intake, we already passed for that. So actually, for January intake is a diploma and a bachelor degree program, and for the March and April intake is for the diploma program and also for the degree program. Now for the intake for bachelor program is for this year is June and November. Okay, 24 June registration for the intake, and last registration is 24 July. And also for the second, the last one for the bachelor degree intake is this year, 16 November 2020. Okay, this is 2 intake. For the diploma, we have another one intake. This 17 July. This 16 to 17 July. Sorry for this wrong typo. 16 to 17 August actually. 16 to 17 August 2020 intake. Okay, so this meaning that from now onwards, we have another 3 intakes, 2 bachelor degree program intake, 24 June 2020, and also 16 November 2020. And also the last one, diploma intake for this year is 16 and 17 August 2020. So this is our intake for this year. Okay, for those students really want to register with Icats for our bachelor program or for our diploma program, so you just record this date and then remember for this date and come and register with us. Okay, we have a very good offer for the student at the moment. That later on I will discuss on the scholarship. Okay, this is the scholarship that I mentioned, right? What is this actually? Okay. Okay, look at this one. Then the program that we have, 2 bachelor degree program and the 9 diploma program we offer. Bachelor degree program duration here for 3 years, and the rest is 2.5 years for diploma, except diploma in accounting for 2 years. Okay, in terms of the tuition fee, this is the existing tuition fee. Okay, this in ringgit Malaysia, estimated in the Indonesian IDR is about this amount, but now we are given the 70 scholarship for the student in terms of free in terms of tuition fee, and the administration fee we need to pay because we need to pay some of the authority on that. So international fee for scholarship, meaning that student only pay 10,000 for each of the courses only. So we offer for 70 scholarship, student only to pay 10,000 ringgit Malaysia only. Okay, 10,000 ringgit Malaysia only for the tuition, for the registration and administration fee, and the tuition fee is totally free. This is this part. Okay, the second part is the tuition fee that you no need to pay. You only pay this 10,000, the blue color only. Okay, this is the tuition fee, the scholarship that we are given to international students. I hope that for the student, international student, really can grab this opportunity. Okay, this opportunity to grab this scholarship. We are given 70 scholarship. The moment finish, then we stop to give that 70 the scholarship. Okay. Okay. In terms of that, for the document that need to given to us, okay, information that needed, document checklist, international passport, you just have photocopy and then or take a photo, and passport size photo, relevant academic certificate or national examination result, medical checkup report, and other personal birth certificate or identity cards. Okay, parent, spouse, or passport or birth certificate of national identity. So this is a document that need to submitted to us for us to process and verify your certificate on the trueness of the certificate. Evidence of financial support. Okay, this is one of the things, but not there. Here is a hostel or services apartment. Were arranged from 2000 to 2005 per unit for 3 bedroom with a full furnish. This is depend, not specific. This is not fixed, but this is depend on the individual. You want to stay in our own hostel, you want to rent it outside, it also can, because at the moment there are a lot of plenty of the apartment can be rent nearby, just nearby our Icats campus. Okay, opportunity here. Why opportunity? Okay, in terms of this global COVID pandemic, right? Many countries have gone into the lockdown. Okay, this impact of health and economic crisis. The most is the new norm coming out. Conventional business will change to e-commerce business. So that's just now I mentioned earlier. The business in business administration major in e-commerce is a place, is the degree, the program that students learn the knowledge in terms of the marketing, in terms of business administration, in terms of the writing proposal, in terms of management, in terms of the e-commerce, how to do the e-commerce, how to manage the e-commerce. Okay. That is in time for the student to learn. And also this Bachelor of Software Engineering program, right? So the student is learn how to write a program, how to develop the website, how to develop the e-commerce system, how to develop the Android application or this type of thing. Then to use for the e-commerce business. Okay. Prepare for the future need. Actually, we prepare these 2 programs, prepare the future need for the students. Okay. The future need. International scholarship here, each international student, okay, who meet the prescribed requirement will be offered a lucrative international scholarship that cover the tuition fee for the entire program. The student need to pay only the registration and administrative fee only. That I mentioned just now, 10,000. The rest is cover the tuition fee. Okay. is no need to pay. So to ease the financial burden of the student, then because of this COVID-19 pandemic, right? So we are offering this to helping the student also, to helping the student family also, to not the financial burden. That's why we are given this 70 scholarship for international student, especially for our nearby city like Kalimantan area, to given for the student there to study in Kuching that with the scholarship and then to ease the financial burdens. So that is our purpose actually. Okay, I think nearly to end my presentation, okay, right? So for more questions about international scholarship and also Icats program, right? You can call or WhatsApp me at +6013@029061, or tell me more and type the thing that you want to know, you want to ask what and you want to know, or visit our partner, Best Partner Education at Pontianak, Kalimantan Barat, okay? Or can browse to our Icats education, icats.edu.my, our website. That is our website. And okay, this is a show to you, right? This is one of the biggest shopping complex, just a nearby Icats campus, Vivacity. I think for those students that they come to Kuching before, they know this Vivacity shopping complex, right? Okay. Besides that, there are many shopping complex around Kuching, around nearby Icats. Okay. This international scholarship for international student, specifically for international student only. Okay. The bachelor program and also diploma program. Okay. The most important thing during this COVID time, right? You can register for the June intake and then for the August intake and also for the November intake. But you no need to come to Icats for the time being unless been open. Then we will tell the student to come to the Icats campus and then for the physical class. For the time being, student will be the classes will be conducted e-learning. Yeah? Start on the June, for the June intake is 29 June, and for the August intake is the 24 August. These two. Okay. So for the November intake will be we will tell the student after they enroll later on, right? So please grab this opportunity. There's my hope that to please grab this opportunity, especially students from Indonesian students from Pontianak, Kalimantan Barat, that some of the area that I've been there, like for example, this Pontianak, school from Pontianak, and a school from Singkawang, school from Sintang, and also school from Ketapang. Please grab this opportunity to study in Icats. Okay, we are really given that 10,000 only you need to pay, and then free tuition fee. That is scholarship that we are given to the student to ease the financial burden during this because of the COVID-19 issue. Okay. So this is, I think, the end of my presentation. So if anything that you want to ask me or anything, you can ask me, or you can type anything through WhatsApp. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I hope everybody is clear. If not clear, they can ask me.
Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Jong. It's really clear for me and also so brief. So actually, so I will conclude your presentation for our participant. Oke guys, jadi kita ganti ke bahasa Indonesia ya sekarang. Oke, jadi tadi Mr. Jong udah jelasin banyak banget, termasuk Icats, keadaan Icats kayak gimana sekarang, terus program apa aja yang ada di Icats. Ada BBA e-commerce tadi, ada juga yang program bachelor, SE, terus juga ada program diploma kayak accounting, hospitality, terus culinary arts, dan banyak banget lainnya. Terus tadi Mr. Jong sudah menyinggung tentang intake di tahun ini, itu di bulan Juni dan Juli. Kalau untuk di bachelornya ada bulan Juni dan Juli, kemudian ada November dan Desember. Terus untuk intake diploma itu di bulan Agustus sampai bulan apa tadi? Dimulai dari bulan Agustus ya, Mr. Jong, ya. Ya sampai Oktober. Kemudian Tadi Mr. Yong sudah bahas tentang scholarship yang khusus diberikan kepada international student. Jadi tidak ada tuition fee, tapi itu seperti kita membayar uang pembangunan kalau istilahnya di sini, kalau di Indonesia guys. Jadi banyak banget pemotongannya spesial untuk international student. Dan tadi juga Mr. Jung sudah membahas tentang university partnership yang bisa menjadikan kesempatan untuk kamu untuk kuliah di luar negeri atau menyambung sekolah kamu setelah mengambil diploma di Icats kayak gitu. Keren-keren banget tadi, ada Ireland, ada di UK, ada juga universitas-universitas ternama di Malaysia. Aku jadi senang banget gitu ya. Oke, Mr. Zhao, I really thank you. So di sini here already sudah ada it's already like joined 6 participants, but some of them are watching you from YouTube. Yeah. So I have some questions.
There are some questions. I wish that Yuran could mention and ask Mr. Jong to answer.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Jong, and I think we have some question, so I will read it for you. So, okay, the first question is coming from Mr. Girl. Okay, what kind of job will be useful in the future according to your opinion that Icats can provide for us to study?
Okay, in terms of the job, right? Okay, in terms of depend on what type of program that you are studying. The first one, let's say for example, like this is software engineering, bachelor in software engineering. So most of the software engineering, okay, after you graduate from that, you can work as a software engineer. You are writing a program, okay, developing a program, program developer. You can do the work as a software engineer with any company. So that is the very lucrative salary actually at the moment, because there are a lot of companies looking for the software engineer, right? Especially to development of the e-commerce system, e-commerce Android business system, right? All these type of things that you can do. Or if you're creative enough, you can do your own business. Get a project to write to develop the system for the people. So solve people problem. So at the moment for our record, right, from our ICAT record, our current student from software engineering, degree in software engineering, most of them, they are working with the IT company as a software engineer. And then few of them, they are doing their own business, okay? Doing their own business to do the getting the project to write a development program, to write the program for the people. So we are really encourage the student after they graduate to open their own business, okay? To open their own business to do the to get the project to write to develop the program for the people. So at the moment in the market, because of this, I said is the new norms coming out is the online business, e-commerce business. There are more systems, there are more things need to be ready for the people that really don't know IT. Okay, really don't know IT. There are many of, let's say for example, small and medium enterprise, right? This type of company. They want to sell the product, but they don't know how to sell the product online. So they need to look for these people to get the project and write the system for them. Then this is an opportunity. It's a big opportunity for this software. For the e-commerce, for example, they can work as for the e-commerce company, or they can work there. They can do their own business also. They can work as an admin officer also to be manage the business, manage the industry. Even though they can work with the bank also. So in them, they can be a marketing officer also to do the business. So it's not a problem for them. There are many opportunities, because I said that now, of course, some of the company is sizing down, but after the booming back, they will be opened up. That is a booming for the student to get a job. That is the time for them to look for the job. After the 3 years, after 2 years, after the 3 years, they finish the degree, they finish the diploma 2.5 years, this is time for them. Okay, for the diploma program, for example, okay, after they graduate for 2.5 years, they can further to with Icats for the business administration or software engineering, or further to other university, or they can work with any industry, like for example, depend on their qualifications or program they are taken. So in Sarawak, actually, there are opportunity for them in terms of software engineer. I think the whole Malaysia needed that kind of thing. Okay? And for other industry, I think the engineering part, civil, also they have a lot. Our record at the moment, like our civil engineering program students, right? Majority of them, they have a job. Yeah? Even though now COVID-19 lockdown, movement control, they are locked down. Most of them, they still maintain their job as an assistant engineer, as an engineer after they graduate. Yeah? That is our record.
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
Okay, that's okay. I think it's clear, yeah, guys. So you can have many opportunities for job after you graduated from Icats. Yeah. Jadi, so we're going to move to the other question, Mr. Jong. This is from Imam Agus. So the question is it possible for me if I already finished my diploma program in Indonesia and I want to continue to bachelor degree in Icats?
Okay, a very good question. That's why I mentioned just now. As long as you have a diploma, right? You submit your diploma to us through our partner, Best Partner Education from Pontianak. So when you submit to me, then we will assess the diploma. If the diploma is equivalent to our diploma here, then the entry should not a problem. The enrollment should not a problem. We will accept that because we will be using our Malaysian this MQA qualification under the MQA. Then we accept that. The moment they approve, then will be accept. No problem for them. Yeah.
Okay, so I think I will invite Imam Agus to join us to talk with you directly. I think it's better for him to talk about what is his major and can he transfer or take a bachelor degree in your campus. So Imam, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so Imam, you can ask anything with Mr. Jong. Okay.
Hi, Imam.
Hi, Mr. Jong.
Hi.
So yeah, I actually finished my diploma program in Pontianak, majoring in what is the information and technology, IT.
Okay.
IT study program. So maybe as a software engineer, software engineering in your campus, it will be good, but the time will be, I want to know how many the time that I need to continue after, if I continue to bachelor degree in Icats.
Okay, very good question. First you need to submit your diploma result and please submit to us your course outline. Yeah, in order for us to mapping your diploma with our degree program. Yeah, the most important because we need to mapping how many the duration for you to study. If we approve how long the duration for you to study for our degree in software engineering in Icats, right? So that is the most important thing, that document that you need to submit to us first. So after that, that's your result, every semester result, then your CGPA, everything, submit to us together some of the document, then we will assess. After we assess, we will let you know the answer. So no problem for that, because at the moment I cannot tell you because I didn't see your result. So then the course that you attend for this your diploma. So when you submit to us your diploma, then together submit together with your course outline to us. Then in order for us to mapping and to understand how long your duration and what type of course that will be credit transfer. Then we need to do that because you have your diploma, right? Now that is the most important thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's clear enough. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hopefully that you submit through our best partner and then they will submit to me.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, Imam, thank you very much for your question. Related to Imam's question, Mr. Jong.
Yeah.
So they have some documents, right, including like your national examination
Yes.
certificate, and also like what is that? Certificate from certificate of diploma.
Yes.
My
Yes.
question is, should the document be translated in English to register in Icats?
But then can I?
Okay, should the documents that you needed or that is required to register in Icats be translated in English?
Doesn't matter. You give me your document either in English or either in Bahasa Indonesia, should not problem.
Okay.
So because in Malaysia, we can read in Bahasa Indonesia, but sometimes we cannot speak in Bahasa Indonesia. So should not problem. If you have an English version, that is a most better. Should not problem for that. So because your national examination is in Bahasa Indonesia, so you just submit to me because it depends on each country. Unless, for example, like say for example, you are from China, they're using Mandarin. So that you need to translate using English because our officer, they don't know how to read in Mandarin language. That you need to do lah. But Indonesian language is more or less similar with Bahasa Malaysia. So no problem for that.
Oke, jadi nggak ada masalah ya guys. Jadi kalian nggak perlu translate dokumen kalian seperti ijazah diploma ataupun ijazah SMU. Terus tadi ada juga kayak birth certificate atau akte kelahiran kalau di kita, sama dokumen-dokumen yang lain nggak perlu ditranslatekan ke bahasa Inggris karena staff dari Icats sendiri mengerti bahasa Indonesia. Jadi lebih sedikit ramah budget ya guys, karena kita nggak perlu keluar uang lagi atau keluar dana lagi untuk untuk translation ke penerjemahan tersumpah. Ini keren banget. Okay, Mr. Jong, thank you very much. So we are moving to the next question. So the question is, according to your opinion, Mr. Jong, online course or offline course is better for us? He means that for international students.
The online or offline you mean, right? Offline is meaning that you need to attend the class, right? So the online because of the pandemic issue, then everybody is because we need to run our class also. So that's why I said online at the moment when you register by June, right? Or by November or by August. So all the class will be run in e-learning, online e-learning. So at the moment, online e-learning is very easy. You just follow our lecturer will be look for the student and then tell the student what is the everything and what is the method in terms of their online teaching. For example, like now using Zoom or using Skype, everything. And also the timetable will be given to the student. Then follow that timetable, then student can attend the class. So that is the online system, so no problem. And until now, it's already 7 weeks we start our class, right? There are no issue for us in terms of the online system, unless the student that the staying area, their coverage is very low in terms of internet. Maybe that is some issue, but we have some video, we have some note will be given to the student also. So as long as he attend the class, if cannot, then we are given some information, some video clip, the class that we conduct. Okay, that is online system. The second one is the offline system, is a physical class. So this physical class is until the government say that, okay, now all the institutions can open for the physical class by maybe hopefully that end of this year or before end of this year, they can be open. The moment can be open, then we will call the student to come to their campus. Then we will be there, start the physical class. That is at the moment will be still in the e-learning, online class. Yeah.
Okay, so mudah-mudahan ditangkap ya teman-teman. Kalau misalnya kita kalian daftarnya di intake yang Juni sampai Juli, kalau misalnya pandemi masih seperti ini, kita akan belajar online. Tapi kalau misalnya udah nggak pandemi lagi, kita akan maksudnya staff dari Icats sendiri akan memberitahukan kalian bahwa kondisi sudah kondusif, jadi kalian sudah bisa masuk di kelas yang offline. Jadi both online atau offline itu tergantung situasi ya, Mr. Jong.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will ask the other question, Mr. Jong. So this is also from our participants before. He or she asked about postgraduate or master program. Yeah, is there any master program in Icats?
Okay, for the time being, our own master program, we have one master program collaborations with this local government university within Malaysia.
Okay.
But that program, unless we have because that is on the taught course classes, meaning that the student need to attend class. So meaning that if we can find the student at least 15 and above student, right? 15 student register, then we can open the class. So because it's quite expensive for us to get the student, to get the lecturer from that university to come to Icats and to teach our program. So that's why I said maximum student register for the master program at least 15. Then we can open the class. That is a master in business administration, MBA.
Business administration or MBA.
Yeah, but
okay.
Master by research at the moment we still don't have yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay. So teman-teman bisa ambil MBA di Icats, tapi karena ini masih program kayak kerjasama, jadi Icats membuka program ini jika jika mahasiswanya sudah sampai 15 orang. So how about the scholarship, Mr. Jong? Is there also scholarship for master degree?
No, the scholarship at the moment we offer is for diploma and degree program, bachelor degree programs. For the master, we not offer yet.
Oke, so jadi beasiswa untuk master belum ada ya guys. Beasiswanya baru tersedia untuk program diploma dan bachelor degree. Okay, so Mr. Jong, again with the scholarship,
okay.
So there are three times. Or there are 3 times intake, June to July, November, December, and also August. Is there any difference? Is there any different scholarship between these 3 intake? I mean,
no.
among these intake, all the same.
No different. Actually, the scholarship we given, right, only pay 10,000 registration and administration fee. The rest of the fee no need to pay. Only 10,000. Either you June intake, November intake, and August intake. Diploma and degree, we are just same 10,000. Just a matter student need to grab this opportunity for 70 scholarship that we are offer. So 70. So when this finish 70, habis lah. Hello.
Jadi ada bulan Desember, November, Desember sama bulan Agustus. Tadi kita bertanya apakah ada perbedaan scholarship yang didapat antara 3 intake itu. Tadi kata Mr. Jong tidak ada perbedaan, 3-nya sama. But tadi kita sempat terputus, Mr. Jong. We are unconnected. Is there any limit for the scholarship? I mean, is there any limit for the scholarship? Only 70, you said?
Okay. For the scholarship given is a 70 scholarship, right? So the moment finish this 70, then we stop to given the 70, then we follow the original price of the tuition fee lah. So that's why because of this, that's why we said that our management think that because of this COVID-19, right, we also just a nearby city together with us. So that's why I said we offer this 70 and to solve the financial problem, financial burden for the family, they just pay for 10,000. Then for the tuition, this is registration administration fee. The tuition fee is free for them. So the rest, for example, living fee and others fee, that is from the student itself lah.
Oke. Nah, jadi limited banget guys, ini beasiswanya. Beasiswanya gede banget, tapi juga limited, hanya tersedia untuk 70. Jadi kalau misalnya Icats sudah mendapatkan 70 orang mahasiswa yang terdaftar, artinya setelah 70 itu tidak ada lagi beasiswa dan tuition fee dikembalikan ke harga awal kayak gitu. Oke. I will highlight about the registration, Mr. Jong. Jadi kalau mau daftar, kalian bisa menyerahkan administrasi atau list-list administrasi yang dibutuhkan tadi yang sudah kita mention di sebelumnya, dan kalian bisa mendatangi kantor Best Partner sebagai representasi dari Icats di Pontianak, atau misalnya kalian bisa misalnya kalian lagi berada di kota lain, kalian bisa mendatangi representasi Icats yang ada di kota lain, atau langsung hubungin aja nomor Mr. Jong yang tadi Mr. Jong kasih. Okay. So I want to ask one more question, Mr. Jong, before we end our webinar.
Okay.
You mentioned about lucrative international scholarship. Yeah, for each student who meet the requirement. So actually, what is lucrative international scholarship?
Okay, how I mentioned here lucrative, right? Because if, for example, if you're not without scholarship for bachelor in software, software engineering and bachelor of, okay, refer to this slide, right? Okay, refer to this slide.
You can share screen again.
Refer to this slide. If okay, the original price is 51,135 ringgit. This is the price for the degree in business admin and also software engineering. So when you that's why I said lucrative here. You only pay the 10,000 for this administration and registrations. Then you can save 41,000. There's a lot of money that you save, equivalent to that I converted maybe just up and down in terms of IDR rate is 142 million that you can save this money. They have a lot, man. They can do a lot of things. So 41,000. So that's why I said you just pay for 10,000. There are no others people to offer this type of thing. Only I can offer. They're willing to offer, because we are partner city, that we are nearby city. We are willing to offer for this type of scholarship for the student. Actually, this reward for the student. Okay? So that's why I said this is quite lucrative. For the rest of diploma, for example, 20 over 1,000 that you can save your money. Besides, you pay the 30 over 1,000, you just pay 10,000, you can save 20 over 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, or equivalent to about 80 plus to 90 millions Indonesian rupiah that you can save. It's a lot of money that you can save actually. That's why I said this is a time for the student from Pontianak, Singkawang, Sintang, or Katapang, or some other places Indonesian through Best Partner. Just come to Icats and study to grab this 70 scholarship that we offer this opportunity. So that is our hope for that lah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chong. Again. Okay. I think I have other question.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. This is about working time, Mr. Chong. Can the student work during the during the study? Okay.
Okay, in terms of the part time, should not problem as long as we can find the place for the student to do the part time. Even though from our on site, from other outside, is there are many of our students that are working as a part time. So it depends on the student actually. If they want to do the part time, they find the job, find a good place lah. It's not like do other things like not allowed. That is term of the law that we not allow that kind of thing. But with the law agree, then not against the law, we should not problem for that. The student can do the part time.
Oke, thank you Mr. Jong. Jadi kalian bisa juga kerja part time ya sambil kuliah ya. Jadi nggak ada masalah selama itu tidak melanggar hukum kata Mr. Jong tadi. Jadi kalau misalnya pekerjaannya kayak masih di kafe atau di perkebunan masih boleh asalkan tidak mengganggu aktivitas belajar sehari-hari.
Yes.
Okay, before we end our webinar, Mr. Jong, I still have a lot of questions to ask.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, but it's okay. So I want to ask about one more. Oh yeah, maybe you can explain a little bit. Over here is you mentioned Bachelor of Business Administration, HONS. Yeah, what is the meaning of HONS? So maybe our participant can know this.
Oh, okay. So normally, right? Diploma degree. This Bachelor of Administration HONS here is honors degree. Honors degree here, the final year you need to do your final year project. If the general degree, right? General degree, there are no HONS. That means there are no honors. You no need to do your final year project. Just study finish, exam finish. Then you finish your own degree. But that is called general degree. So for the bachelor degree, that with honors, that you need to have the final year project. Then this meaning that's different with that. Yeah. But in terms of the level, is like for example, if you go to Ireland, for example, level 7 without honors, level 8 they have honors. There's more to you need to do some extra thing. Is more to your final year project. You need to write your proposal, you need to do your final year project, you need to present your final year project or bye-bye your final project to the examiner, whether you pass or fail on that.
Okay. When they can take the international study, for example, for the Ireland, when the students can go there, Mr. John?
For the scholarship for the registration for the international, right?
Yeah.
As long as they go through the intake, for example, June and November, like November, okay, go to the slide, this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you look at this one. For November, okay, for June intake, the class will be start on the 29 June. Okay, for the August intake diploma, the class will be start on the 24 August.
Yeah. Okay.
So meaning that 16, 17, they come and register. Class will start 24. It's meaning that they register through online register at the moment. As long as they online register, then we receive everything information. Then the lecturer, the college will be the Icats will be contact the student and then given all the information to start the class, when they start the class and timetable everything. For degree, 29 June. For diploma, 24 August. They start the class.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think it's clear, Mr. John.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. John, sorry.
No problem. You can ask any question. Yeah. We are sharing. No problem.
Yeah, but because our time is very limited, guys, after this webinar, you can ask me. Don't hesitate to reach me, and also don't hesitate to reach Mr. Jong to ask any question.
Yes,
okay?
yes. No problem. You can ask directly to me. This is my WhatsApp, or call me or WhatsApp me. Tell me or type that what information that you want to know.
Okay. Nah, biasanya teman-teman tuh suka yang lebih cari informasi sendiri tuh. Nah, jadi di sini ada websitenya Icats, www.icats.edu.my. Jadi kalian bisa cek aja di situ informasi apapun yang kalian butuhkan, termasuk akomodasi, biaya lainnya, atau misalnya kurikulum yang lebih detail, kalian bisa akses aja ke situ. Atau misalnya kalau ada pertanyaan lagi, kalian jangan sungkan-sungkan untuk hubungin Yeran dan juga yang hubungin Mr. Jong, atau langsung aja datang ke kantor Best Partner Education. Oke, I think terima kasih Mr. Jong.
Thank
Can
you.
you speak bahasa? Oke, terima kasih Mr. Jong.
Terima kasih semua.
Ya, terima kasih Mr. Jong karena sudah berbagi pengetahuan dan berbagi informasi tentang Icats. Soalnya susah nih guys, kalau misalnya kita di tengah pandemi gini, kalau mau langsung visit ke kampusnya kan susah nih. Jadi makanya aku terima kasih banget sama Mr. Jong karena sudah meluangkan waktu untuk memberikan informasi tentang Icats, di mana kampusnya, lokasi-lokasi sekitar Icats, dan keindahan kota Kucing tadi beberapa, dan ada beberapa pertanyaan yang sudah dijawab juga. Tapi walaupun tidak semuanya bisa tercover, jadi kita bisa meneruskan pembicaraan nanti. Okay, Mr. Jong, maybe you have the last words to say before we say bye-bye to the participants.
Okay, the last word for me, please grab this opportunity, 70 scholarship that we offer for international students. This is the first time that we're given this type of thing for international students. This from Icats. So hopefully that you can register through to Icats, to study or in the program they offer by Icats. So if any information, you can direct call me or direct to our partner, Best Partner Education in Pontianak. So then we because we work together with Best Partner for the student entry, student and intake for Icats in Pontianak. So anything, just see you in Icats. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Mr. Jong. See you in Icats too. Mudah-mudahan nanti kita juga bisa study tour ke Icats. Oke guys, jangan lupa, aku juga mau kasih tahu kalau kalian punya teman atau misalnya kalian ada ibu-ibu guru sama bapak guru atau misalnya dosen di kampus tertentu, kalau misalnya mau request study tour ke Sarawak, Icats open banget nih buat melakukan misalnya exchange program. Atau misalnya kunjungan ke Icats, mereka open banget buat international student, right? Oke.
Yeah, right.
Jadi kalau misalnya perlu informasi lebih lanjut, nanti hubungi aja Best Partner Education atau hubungin aku. Aku ada atau hubungi nomor yang ada di bio Instagram bestpartner.com. Oke. Kalau gitu Mr. Jong, I will say bye-bye. So thank you very much. See you again.
Yes, see you again. Yeah, bye-bye. See you again.
Bye-bye. See you again.
Bye-bye.
Oke. Terima kasih teman-teman yang udah join webinar ini. Semoga kita bisa join, bisa ketemu lagi di webinar.
Thank you, Imam. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Imam. Kalau Mr. Jong tuh. Thank you, Fitrianto, Wijayanto, dan thank you teman-teman yang juga live on YouTube, juga nonton dari live di YouTube. Aku mau bilang apa ya? Oh iya, kita akan ada webinar lagi di tanggal 20. Itu adalah webinar bersama Gisma. Jadi Cek Siene akan menemani kita. Jadi jangan lupa untuk daftar dan ikutin dan dapetin informasinya dari webinar itu. Oke, jadi kita akan membahas tentang studi dan juga scholarship di Jerman. Kayak gitu Mr. Chong.
Thank you.
Kayak gitu peserta-peserta. Oke, guys, kalau begitu aku akan ending live ini dan juga webinar ini. Oke. Kalau ada apa-apa, aku mohon maaf ada salah kata, ya. Dan mudah-mudahan kalian ngambil baik-baiknya aja dari webinar ini. Oke, guys, terima kasih.
Oke, Fitri, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Chong.
Oke, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.